This is the summary created from video. Lecture 53 Demonstration XX. The narrator begins by explaining the installation process for the MySQL server, which includes downloading the appropriate version, extracting the files to a desired location, and configuring the necessary settings. Next, the steps for initializing the MySQL server are outlined, including running specific commands to initialize the console data and complete the installation process. With the server installed, the focus shifts to setting up the root user account and password, which is a crucial step for securing the database. The narrator then guides the audience through creating and using databases, demonstrating how to create a new database called test and activate it as the current working database. Moving on, the process of creating tables within the database is explained, including defining fields' data types and constraints like primary keys and uniqueness. The narrator walks through inserting data into the newly created table, showcasing the INSERTINTO command and highlighting the enforcement of constraints like uniqueness. Next, querying data from tables is covered, with demonstrations of SELECT statements for retrieving specific columns, filtering data based on conditions, and ordering results. The narrator then explores updating and deleting data from tables, explaining the UPDATE and DELETE commands along with the use of conditions to target specific records. Permanent removal of tables and entire databases is discussed, highlighting the DROPTABLE and DROPDATABASE commands and their impact on data integrity. The video then touches upon accessing a remote MySQL server using JDBC, mentioning the need for the remote machine's IP address to establish a connection. To conclude, the key takeaways from the MySQL installation and usage process are summarized, reinforcing the main concepts covered throughout the video. Finally, the narrator ends by emphasizing the readiness of the MySQL server for further SQL operations and exploration after completing the installation process. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.